So let me show you a quick little trick to save the landscape shader compile time in big time. So basically when we change a value in landscape, and we usually apply and try to see how that works on the landscape, but then you have to wait until this shader compile times goes down, so otherwise you cannot see the change. But I'm going to show you a little trick to reduce this down to like 2 to 3 times lower. I mean 2 to 3 times lower, and it's quite simple, and let me show you that. As you can see, this is my main landscape material, m_openland. So you can see it got some sort of layers, and we do layer blend somewhere here, and yep, everything looks decent, has grass and so on. So now you need to copy this and create something exact like this, but it doesn't have a layer blend, so just the auto layer only. So I'll show you how to do that. So let me open the development version of the landscape. So basically it has the auto layer, 4-layer auto setup, but it doesn't have a layer blend. Directly we connect the material attributes to the output, and if you're using material functions, it doesn't be a big management problem because everything is inside functions. And then you can create a material instance out of this one and try to use that inside your landscape. So I'm going to do that right now. So here's my landscape, and this is my default material instance based on the default material. And then I have this one. So this is a material instance created using the development version. Now I'm going to do the exact same change I did earlier, like this. I simply change this one, all right, and then I'm gonna apply that. As you can see now, it reduced down to like 900 to 700, but this is not 2 times, right? Actually we can improve that, so let me show you how to do that. So open your project and close your project and save everything. So this is my project, so all the files are here. And before we do this, try to make sure you have a backup here, so if we did anything crazy and you still have something to play with. I use a GitHub for saving everything, so it doesn't matter. Right, so I'm gonna remove 3 directories. First one is derived data cache, another one is intermediate, another one is saved. So I'm gonna delete these 3 directories just like this, and then I'm going to start my project again. Okay, it got started like this. Then I'm going to open that function we modified earlier, right? This is the function, and this is the node. So I'm going to change it back to the defaults that I had earlier, and I'm going to apply that. So now you can see it reduced down to 250 shader compile time, shader compiled. So basically we reduced that from 900 to something around 250. You're saving a quite amount of time without changing your hardware. So I can change it. I can show you. I can change it and compile again. It doesn't matter how many times you did that, and you get the same shader compile amount. So this is pretty important. So basically when you're working with a landscape and this number is really going up, sometimes 3000 when you're working some complex setup. So then if you can reduce that by 2 to 3 times, so basically you are saving time and you can do more experiments, and you can ship faster. Yeah, this is my trick, and it really works for me. Okay, see you soon with something interesting. Bye.